Hi there, it's Russell here from East Gosford Physio and Sports Injury Centre, and I want to tell you a little bit today about shoulder bursitis. Now, shoulder bursitis is when you get irritation of the bursa in your shoulder, and the bursa is a sac of fluid which sits between bones and tendons, and if you don't use your shoulder properly, you'll tend to squash and irritate this. It becomes inflamed, a bit like rubbing a blister on your heel. It feels terrible to touch and keeps you awake at night. We can really help you with this problem by teaching you how not to irritate it. I know that may sound a bit simple, but once you improve the position of your shoulder blade and then start to use your shoulder more efficiently, and the muscle strengthening occurs around the shoulder to make it more efficiently, you can stop this problem in its tracks, get rid of your shoulder pain and start doing the things you enjoy again. Maybe your sport, picking up the grandkids, at least simple things like picking clothes on the line. May not enjoy that, but at least you get back into doing the jobs that you have to do. So if you think we can help you with this shoulder bursitis, please give us a call on 43237499 and we can make an appointment to see one of our great physios and sort this problem out for you. Thanks very much.